The Skills Development Programme is a programme that Axminster developed, which is there for people who are at the beginning of their woodworking career to pick up skills to be taught by experts to sort of set them up and set them on their way. My name's Kam and I represent the Nailsworth Community Workshop. My role is a craft instructor, so I work with people who have learning difficulties and we work together in a social environment to improve people's social standing, their social skills, sometimes to socialise, and we do that through the medium of crafts. I'm relatively new to woodworking. It's something that I always enjoyed growing up, but I didn't really pursue, and I took a career in software, and then about 3 years ago I sort of decided that I needed a change. Moved back from Canada, back to the UK, and landed at the Nailsworth Community Workshop, so they gave me an apprenticeship for a couple of years. What appealed to me about the Skills Development Programme is the chance to tailor it. The way I entered woodworking and the random way of learning meant that there were these little holes and gaps. And then when it came to doing things like working with home-educated kids, I would tend to push them to other people. So filling those gaps, I think, is what appealed to me the most. Well, I'm excited. I'm excited. I hope to go back with these skills and show other instructors. Sharing is a big part of our workshop, sort of people helping people, and it's nice to be able to contribute. And I think the thing that I really liked about the day, instead of trying to take away a finished product, was just take away tips and tricks, things that I can use, take away and then build upon so I can make my own finished product in time. It was a fantastic day, and I know it wasn't just the instructors on the day who helped make it a fantastic day, it's everyone else at Axminster. It's just been, what a day, wow. Yeah, whatever was promised is exactly what was delivered.